So let's see how the sorting of the protein to the outer and the intermembrane spaces take place. Now what happened? Mainly in the outer membrane spaces, the Tom complex is present, which act as a translocase and help in the transportation of the protein. So the protein which are destined for the outer membrane have specific sequences and they are then detected by the MIM1 protein of the translocase of the outer membrane, and protein get inserted inside into the translocon of the DOM complexes and either get inserted into the outer membrane, or it may pass through the translocon and enter into the intermembrane spaces. Now, if it is a protein of intermembrane spaces, then it may fold it by the chaperone, some special type of protein which help in the folding of the protein and usually present in the intermembrane spaces. Now, some precursor of the beta barrel protein get also transported inside into the intermembrane spaces by the Tom complexes. There are some special chaperone which prevent the binding of these protein, that is TIM9 and the TIM10 chaperones. Proteins are present in the intermembrane spaces. So from this, the protein is then translocated to the another translocon, that is the SAM complex is present on the outer membrane, which means the sorting and assembly machinery. So through this, the protein is passed and get inserted into the outer membrane as the beta barrel protein. So this is how the sorting of the protein to the outer and the intermembrane space take place.